Hey guys, Erika with the K here. Today's video is going to be on how I clean my makeup kit, my professional makeup kit after a job. So this is just kind of an overview of what it looks like when I get home. It's literally a disaster. It's crazy. These drawers don't even do it justice as to just the madness that goes on. There are brushes everywhere. Everything is just an actual wreck. And I try to keep everything organized. I also, you guys can see I have a pair of socks at the bottom because you never know if you're going to somebody's house, if they want you to take off your shoes, if it's the summertime, you don't have socks on. Just cover up your feet. And so that's a little tip for you guys. And I also have all these brushes that are just ridiculously dirty and they have to be cleaned. And so let's get into this. I do want to say I do have an entire video talking about this makeup kit. So I will definitely link that. So what you always want to have in your case is a bottle or two of brush cleaner, and what I use is rubbing alcohol. So you guys can see in the back, I got it from CVS. So when I come home, I always make sure that I refill up the bottles that I have, and I have them labeled clearly. These used to be setting spray bottles, and once they were emptied, I just relabeled them with a P-Touch, and I just filled them up with rubbing alcohol. And I know that if I'm on a job and I have time, I can clean my brushes in between clients. I generally always have time to clean in between clients, but sometimes I can get the full brush cleaning done at the job. So now I'm going to show you guys that I use the same rubbing alcohol when I'm home. And I just take a paper towel. I don't waste the ones that I just refilled in the setting spray bottles because I want to make sure I have those when I'm actually on site, on location, doing makeup. But what I do is I just kind of put some on a paper towel and I rub it, and it gets it super clean and it disinfects, and it's just amazing. So that is 100% what I would recommend for your brushes, is to, apply as needed, like continue to put some more on the paper towel and just rub your brushes on it. It cleans them thoroughly, perfectly. And it also dries within seconds. So you could use this brush again within seconds. So it's not like you have a ton of downtime. You have to wait for the brush to dry. You have to take a blow dryer and blow dry it. That's not the case. And I've never had a problem with people with sensitivity. Knock on wood. I've never had a problem so far. Okay, so here are the brushes when they're clean, and I like to section mine out. So I have my face brushes here. So everything that has to do with the face, with the eyes. And then I also have all my face brushes. Then I'm going to go in and clean my airbrush, which is the Temp 2. I have an entire video talking about how to clean the Temp 2 airbrush. This is so important for the longevity of your Temp 2 airbrush, or even any brand that you have. It's so important. So I will definitely link those videos down below on how I thoroughly clean each one. But in short, you're gonna set it up exactly how you would on the job. So have to put the whole thing together. Plug it in, everything like that. You're going to use the solution that it comes with. You could definitely order more of this online. Once you run out, you will run out, but use the solution that it comes with. You're going to put it right where you would put the makeup, and then you just spray it into a paper towel until it runs clean. There are other ways that you can clean this. You could take apart the entire brush, which again, I will link all of that in another video, but just to kind of give you guys an overview of how to clean it. Just want to make sure that it runs clear. So have it on a white paper towel. Always make sure you have paper towels with you on a job, because that is how you're going to clean your brushes, or even a washcloth. And then I also have another video talking about how to clean a beauty blender, and I will link that below. So while this is all going on, you could be cleaning your beauty blender. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up, and I can go in on each individual piece of makeup and tell you guys how you should clean it. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.